Alright everyone, so in first grade you all learned about part whole. So our 10 is going to be our whole and then 4 is going to be one of the parts. We're going to try to figure out what is the missing part. And so I tell my second graders to pretend there's a plus sign in the middle and you have to figure out what 4 and what makes 10. And so they think about this and they can use their fingers. They might use building blocks right here and they might take a 10 as the whole. They might break off 4 and then they see that one part is going to be 4 and the other part is going to be 6. So this is just a review that we practiced yesterday. For homework, you're going to see a problem like this. Okay? Traditionally, yes, I know it's easier just to say 7 plus 6 and have the students solve 7 plus 6. But the students don't know why the answer to 7 plus 6 is 13. They just say 7 plus 6 is 13 and they don't know why. So we are trying to build number sense here. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with 7. And the way I taught them this is 6 is the whole and there's going to be 2 parts to 6. And I told them they could take a red pen or a different color, and what they're going to do is they're going to circle the 7 and the first part of the 6. Because we know that when you add on your fingers, when you get to 7, you get 3 more and you make it to 10. So getting closer to that 10 is going to make adding easier for second graders. So they take 7, okay, so they count off 7 of their blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then they have 7 blocks. So I'm going to symbolize that on the board with purple blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so they have this sitting on their desk. Then I tell them, okay, well we have 6, so break off 6 orange cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're giving them multiple strategies to solve this problem. So then they take the 7 purple and then they'll take the 6 orange. And they can easily put the blocks together and count up. But since we're working on mental math and we're trying to get them to get the answer quicker, what they do is they say, 7 and what make 10? Well, they should know. We're learning the friends of 10. So 7 and 3 make 10. So what they do is they take 3 from this 6. They just break it off. And they add it. They're going to add it to that 7. So here's their 10. They have it. It's right here. And then they're holding in their other hand what's left over. And 3 is left over. And so there they see clearly with the blocks that 10 and 3 they're able to do easily, which is 13, instead of saying 6 and counting up on their fingers or using tallies. They're easily able to see 10 and 3 make 13. So the other equation would look like this. Okay, so here's the big key. Trying to figure out what makes 10.
Pause it.